Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the MOVO wireless microphone system. Okay, so today I'll be testing out the MOVO wireless microphone system. I seen this here on Amazon and I had to pick it up to try it out, having two little microphones here to clip on, and it plugs in using the USB-C charging port on the bottom of your Android Type-C phone. They do also make one, I believe, for iPhones with the Lightning port as well. So there you go. Now this is called the Wireless Mini UC Duo. So it comes with two microphones, so you and someone else, can actually use these here. You can also buy just one, the Mini UC Solo, I guess is what it's called. But I figured like $20 more for the Duo, so I picked it up. You know what I'm saying? So compatible with Android devices. Now I do want to say this, that the microphone that I have been using lately that plugs into the bottom with the USB-C, I've only found it to work on one phone, that is the S22 Ultra, which I'm recording on right now. I will test this out on other ones, but for this test here, since I know it does work with other USB Type-C plugins, I will be using the S22 Ultra for this test, and I will test it out on other phones at a future time. So anyway, here we go. You can see it right there. Really nice, small and compact. Turn it around here. It says what's in the box. You get two wireless mini TX transmitters. You got the wireless mini UC RX receiver. You got two USB-C charging cables, two phone windscreens, and one carrying case. So let's go ahead and open the box up here. All right, just like this here. All right, so there we go there. Pull this out. Here's a little case. Really nice. Got some read material here. MOVO creators wanted. And over here on this side is where all the goodies are. Let's go ahead. Slip that off there, and here we are. So here is the little transmitter you plug into the bottom of your phone. And these are the little bitty clip-on microphones. The power button down there. And on top right there, if that'll focus in right there, let's see, is the microphone. And so yeah, so you get two of these here. You also get these little bitty windscreens that fits over the top. So pretty cool stuff there. And you got a pouch. We'll open this pouch up here. And in here you will get your Type-C charging cables. So you want to wait, to have one charging and the other one charging. You can charge them up at the same exact time. So really nice to see that there. Nice to have that. So yeah, you got two of them here. We'll go ahead and push the power button, see if there's any juice in any of these things. So right now you can see right there that it's looking for a phone to be plugged in to test it out with. So yeah, this is basically all that comes into the box here. You get two of these. These are very small, compact, clip-on here. So I will definitely be testing these out here in just a moment. Like I said, this here plugs into the bottom of your phone. So hopefully it'll work with more phones than just, certain types of phones. But you got everything that you need here in the box. So let's go ahead. We'll plug this thing in and we'll test out the audio quality. Okay, so before I do the sound test of this microphone, I did forget to mention there is a USB Type-C plug-in on the transmitter here, and also on the bottom of the microphone is USB Type-C as well to charge it up. So kind of want to throw that in there. Forgot to mention it a minute ago. I do have the windscreen on this microphone. Probably gonna leave it on there for this test. So yeah, let's go ahead, plug it in, and see how it sounds. So here's a sound test of the MOVO wireless microphone. We are currently in normal mode. When it's in that mode, it'll stay blue. If you click it once, it will mute it. If you double click it, you will go into noise isolation mode. So you hear it here. Very quiet room, just kind of an echoey room. You can hear how it sounds. Let's go ahead and turn it in noise isolation mode. And now we are in noise isolation mode. So there's probably a bit of a difference. I might cut out some of this background noise. I got a fan over here that I want to power on. It's kind of loud, and we'll see if there's any kind of interference while I'm talking.
The fan does get pretty loud and everything, so we'll see if it kind of interferes with the background any at all. And so I think that's enough. Go ahead and power that back off. So yeah, just a sound test here, you know, in normal mode and in noise isolation mode. I will leave links down below in the description from Amazon for the USB-C for Android, as well as the Lightning for iPhone. You know, not affiliate, nothing like that. Just helps you find it better. If you're looking for something like this right here, of course, prices is going to vary. So yeah, they always vary on Amazon. So yeah, let me know down below how this sounds to y'all. Is it something that sounds decent? Let me know. I like to hear from you. If it's informative in any way, hit the like button. I sure would appreciate it. If you're new around here and haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, clicking that bell on for notifications. I sure would appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.